Hey guys, what's going on? Beautiful day today. It's about minus 15, feels like minus 20, and we're in the middle of this pandemic, this crisis that this world is facing, and I don't know, I just think, if we play it smart and we play our cards right, everything's fine. I mean, I know I say that with an air of ease, but I guess that's easy to do when you're antisocial, eh? It's a beautiful day. I am certainly keeping a 6-foot circumference around my bubble, as you can clearly see, which means that I get to come out and enjoy nature the same as I would any other day. I really think that it's important that we find things in life to do that resemble our normal lives, and that truly will help you get through those times in life, times like these, Cheers, everyone. I have been saving this beer for a special reason for I don't know how long. It's tastes good. I don't consider today to be any special reason, but I don't know, I'm just, everybody's panicking, everybody's freaking out, and to some extent I can understand that 100%, And then there's the other part of me that doesn't understand it at all, and I'm sure that's true for a lot of people. Fear is manufactured by our own brains, and because of that, it's easily manipulated by ourselves and our own brains. So when that fear and panic come creeping in, or maybe not creeping in, smashing the front door down like the SWAT team coming in to get you, it's up to each other, it's up to our own selves to take that fear and manipulate it into a way that creates fuel towards a different sort of passion. We're all responsible for how we feel in life, myself included, and I haven't ever been the best at that, But that doesn't mean I don't stop striving to learn. Doesn't mean I don't take these situations that we're in, that this world is facing today, and just find a way to make the best of it. On my Facebook, I put a quote up. I was doing quotes, and how did the one quote go? Those turn out the best for the people that make the best of the way things turn out. Those turn out the best for the way that people make things. How did I just say it? Things turn out the best for the way that people make the best of the way things turn out. If you can understand that. But it's true. So, for me, this kind of situation's a lot easier than for a lot of other people. I would much rather just be down here trying to film wildlife and document owls and camp out and shelter and all that kind of stuff that our primitive ancestors used to do on a daily basis in order to survive. For me, I just find this normal. I'm not even sure exactly what I'm trying to get across here. It's just, I just think that if people just follow the guidelines, but as far as I'm concerned, this imprisoning yourself in your own home, I think it's bullshit. I will never imprison myself in my own home, because that's not who I am, that's not how I'm made. I clearly am not worried about any other contact from any other people. I'm outside, I'm exploring a natural area. Get your kids outside, go and explore a natural area. Do the things with your children that you didn't have time to do before. Do things with your loved ones that you didn't have time to do before. You don't have to quarantine yourselves inside your house. I don't give a shit what anybody says. Go be with your friends. Go be with the people that you've always wanted to be with. Go spend time with them. But that doesn't mean you gotta lock yourselves in a house, or an apartment, or an old age home, or a hospital room. That decision is solely up to you. But as far as it goes, I just came riding past Polo Park shopping mall. Why is that mall still open? There's 6 cars in the parking lot, but the mall is full wide open. That's bullshit. Send those people home. The almighty dollar is not that important to anybody. I don't care. Not even myself, and I don't have any dollars. You know? I think this is a time that people should reconnect with each other. Take this time as a time to reconnect with the people that you love, or the people that you want to love. Don't let those people slip through your fingers, because you have the time right now to take advantage of that. So why not take advantage of that? And why not go and explore some nature? There ain't nothing out here gonna hurt me. I will never quarantine myself, because out here is where I belong. Out here is where I feel like I'm at home. Home isn't a place, home is a feeling, and this is where I feel at home. So what I'm saying, guys, is it's up to us to lose the fear and find the love. It's up to each and everybody to lose that fear and find that love. So go, instead of worrying about the fear of what might happen, what about the fear of what is not happening? Go find that love. Go hang out with your grandparents, or go to that relationship that you've always wanted to have with somebody, and go capture it right now. Just go get that relationship. Go do what you need to do in this life. Don't worry about this pandemic. Nothing's gonna hurt you outside. Go grab that person and go for a walk somewhere. Go do something with your life. Don't let this little pandemic make you sit there and have to snot your nose all day in fear because, oh no, I have a runny nose, I must be getting sick. Straighten out, people. There's over 80% success recovery rate from this pandemic. What are we all so scared about? Follow the guidelines, grab those loved ones, go spend time outside, get that fresh air, keep your body moving, keep the legs working, keep the blood pumping, keep the lungs, get the heart pumping, get the lungs working. Keep all that stuff going. This isn't a time to be lazy and have an excuse to sit on your goddamn couch all day long. It's not. Shame on you if you think that that's what this is. Stop crippling yourselves. Stop creating fear for yourselves. Go get that relationship. Go get that passion and get after it, man. This is a time your work is giving you time off. Go chase those things that you didn't have time to do before. That's all I want to say. That's all I want to say. It's up to each and every one of you to make what your life is for you and you only. Get the fuck out of the house. Get the fuck off the couch. Get the fuck off Facebook. Grab that relationship. Get outside. Get it done. It's on you. It's all on you, guys.